Reddit Roundup, the top 5 most asked immigration questions on Reddit this week. 1. What are my options if my visa is unexpectedly canceled? Depending on your situation, you might be able to seek reinstatement, apply for a new visa, or in some cases you may need to leave the US. 2. I have an F1 student visa. Can I visit my home country during my school's summer break? Yes, most F1 students can travel home during summer break without issue, provided they follow DHS's annual vacation guidelines. But keep in mind that re-entry into the US is never guaranteed, especially as the Trump administration continues to ramp up its crackdown on immigration. Ultimately, your admission is up to the Customs and Border Protection officers you encounter at the port of entry. That said, it's a good idea to plan ahead for any scenario. Have your documents in order, know your rights, and keep your attorney's contact info handy just in case. 3. Could people from countries on the Trump administration's proposed travel ban list have their visas revoked? It's possible. Some people have already had their visas revoked for participating in political protests. Under the first Trump administration's travel ban, individuals from certain countries, mostly Muslim-majority nations, faced increased visa scrutiny, delays, and cancellations. It's wise to consult an immigration lawyer if you're from a country that could be impacted. 4. Do U.S. border agents have the authority to search my phone? Yes, U.S. Customs and Border Protection agents can search your phone and other electronic devices at the border without a warrant or probable cause. This falls under the border search exception to the Fourth Amendment. While you have some protections, they're limited. Knowing your rights can help you stay prepared. 5. What does it mean to self-deport? Self-deportation is when someone without legal status leaves the U.S. voluntarily, often due to political pressure to avoid formal deportation. The Trump administration has promoted self-deportation and made the option available through tools like the CBP Home app. Officials say the app offers a chance for undocumented immigrants to avoid penalties and potentially return to the U.S. legally in the future. But immigrant advocates call the approach coercive, expressing concerns about data collection misuse through the app, skepticism about promises of leniency, and doubts that self-deporting will lead to future opportunities to legally travel or immigrate to the U.S. If you're considering self-deportation, it's a good idea to consult an immigration attorney first to understand your options. For a full breakdown of the answers to this week's most asked immigration questions on Reddit, head to the link in our bio. Otherwise, stay tuned for next week's Reddit Roundup. What are some of your immigration questions? Drop them in the comments.